see, your girl got some new hair. Y'all, I am loving this hair. This hair was sent to me by DYHAIR777. Yes, that's DYHAIR777. This is Brazilian loose wave in a 14-inch closure, and I have 3 bundles, a 16, 18, and a 20. So of course I started with the 20 on the bottom, then I went up to the 18 and the 16. This is a wig that I made myself. So this is a wig that I constructed. I'll be inserting a clip of the actual natural state of the hair, and then I went ahead and I used my curling wand that I got from Walmart. I believe this is a Remington curling wand, and I believe it's a 1.5 or 2-inch curling wand. So I used that to go ahead and put some wand curls inside of the hair, and this is the look that I got. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's soft. It didn't come with a bad smell. I didn't have to wash it at all. The only thing that I did was bleach my actual closure. So yes, I did bleach this closure. I did record a video. I'm gonna put it up above so you can go ahead and click that link to see how I actually bleached my closure to get it so natural looking. I do not have a cap on under this. So this is the actual color that I bleach the closure. And the closure did bleach really good, but I'm going to go ahead and put that video up there, so I won't be talking about any bleaching of this hair. But like I said before, when I received the hair from this company, it came in a beautiful package. It came with a drawstring bag, which is really going to be useful so that when I take my wig off, I can go ahead and keep up with my hair with the title of the company that the hair is coming from. I can put it in that drawstring bag. And to be honest, you could really take it anywhere with you. I could take it on a plane. Wherever I'm going, I can put it in that drawstring bag and keep it with me. So that was something that I love that the company did for me. It came with, of course, like I said, the closure in 3 bundles, as well as some lashes. So they did give you some lashes, and they also gave you a card giving you all of their social media links, as well as how to care for the hair. The shipping on this hair was extremely fast. I believe it only took 3 or 4 days. It came through DHL shipping, and it came directly to my door. And what I really loved about it as well is that they gave me the option to go ahead and sign for it through the website instead of them coming to my house, leaving the card stating that I wasn't here because of course I'm at work, saying that I need to sign for it. So I really love that they did that. I'm going to also insert some clips in, and you're going to see me taking my flat iron, and I use my flat iron to get my closure as flat as possible. So you're going to grab your closure, grab your flat iron. Now I put mine on 400, but you just want to be careful but what I can honestly say about this company is that the closure did not burn. Oh my gosh, I wanted to do a happy dance when I seen it. I was like hesitant at first because I was like, I don't want to put too much heat on it because I don't want it to burn. It did an amazing job, flawless. Okay, so you want to go ahead and take your flat iron, clamp it down on the closure, and smooth it down. So as you're smoothing it, you're just laying it flat. And as you can see, it's flat. The only reason why that's sticking up back there is because that's where I didn't put it. And honestly, I don't really need to because that's where I like it to start to get volume in the back. I also went ahead and I used the curling wand to flatten it down as well. So I put that heat on it to flatten it down and just brush it down. But there's literally no product on this hair. And I did that on purpose because I wanted you to see this hair in its natural state. Even though I went ahead and I put wand curls in it, I still wanted you to be able to see it in its natural state so you could see how gorgeous this hair is. The closure does come with baby hairs. I'm not too really big on baby hairs unless I'm using my own. So I didn't define the baby hairs. I didn't lay the baby hairs down. I didn't gel them. I just left it the same, to be honest, because it really doesn't bother me, because that's just not the look I'm going for. So with it being the way that it is, it's fine for me. But if you would like to, yes, there are baby hairs on the closure. So if you do decide to purchase this closure, you will get baby hairs to where you don't have to go in and tweeze them out and do it on their own. No, I did not tweeze my actual parting space. I didn't have to conceal it. Again, this is me bleaching the actual closure So that's why it looks the way that it do. Also, I forgot to mention that these bundles are extremely thick. Wefts on these bundles are extremely thick. They held up well with me sewing the hair down with making this wig, as well as shedding. I barely got any shedding, honestly. Even when I bleached the actual closure, I didn't get a lot of shedding, which is a plus. I'm really hoping that this hair lasts a long time, which I know that it will, as long as I take care of it. But as far as the shedding, we good on shedding, that's really what makes or break the hair, if it sheds a lot or if it doesn't shed. And honestly, hair is gonna shed, so it's not like I'm looking for no shedding, but just with me actually doing the hair, running my hands through it, I'm not getting anything. And of course, once you one curl your hair, you can stick to those uniform curls. I wasn't going for that look, so I opted to brushing the actual curls out, and this is the look that I got. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. If you would like to purchase this hair, everything is going to be down in the description box. Thank you again for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.